Okay, we're going to talk about question 10. This is a SA2 NA question. We're going to talk about volume of pyramid. So the first question, part A asks, state the ratio of the volume of the pyramid toy to the volume of the cube box on the right hand side. So do you know that volume of a pyramid formula? Pyramid is 1/3 because there's a Christmas tree. I call it a vertex. Okay, 1/3, then multiply by the base area and multiply by the perpendicular height. So that's the formula of a pyramid. And do you know that a volume of a cube or a cuboid is actually volume of, for this case, it's a cube lah. It will be base area, which is in fact length and breadth, base area, and multiply by the height. So if you notice these and these, they are the same. The only difference is with a difference of a 1/3. So when they ask you for the ratio of the volume of the pyramid toy, so you will say, okay, 1/3 times base area times height is to base area multiplied by height. So we know that for a ratio, you can divide number on both sides, right? You can multiply the same number on both sides. You can divide the same number on both sides. So both sides also have base area times height. So I'm going to cancel. So it becomes 1/3:1. Then how do you change this to flat number? Because ratio you cannot have fraction, right? So this one you put 1/1. Change them to the same denominator. So this is times 3 times 3. So it will be 1/3 is to 3/3. Remove the denominator, so you know it is 1:3. So that's the answer for part A. Okay, ratio volume of the pyramid is 1/3 of this one. In other words, it's like the cuboid or cube is 3 times the pyramid, and that's why it is 1:3. That's for part A. Let's go to part B. Let's change another color. Part B said, given that the volume of the pyramid toy is 1125 cm3, show that the value of A is 15. So over here, you are supposed to find out what is the A. And since it's a cube, it means that all three of them is the same. So it's very easy because you already know that the volume of the pyramid is 1 unit. The volume of the cube is 3 units. So since volume of the pyramid is 1125, it means that 1 unit is equals to 1125. 3 unit will be equals to 1125 multiplied by 3. Okay, so what then after that, of course, press calculator lah. So you get 3375. Okay, 3375. So this is the volume of the cube. And since cube means that all three sides are the same, so it means that to find the A, you simply just cube root 3375. And that's how you get 15. So it is shown. So this is for question 10 for Beatty 2018 SA2 NA SA2 paper 1. That's all. Okay, so we're going to continue on our part C. So part C, part 1 asks to find the slant height of the pyramid toy. So over here, they already tell you that the slant height is this L. And just now we have calculated that A is all 15. So it means this is 15, this is 15. And we also know that the height is 15, which is this one. So I'm going to draw out another triangle so that I see better. I'm going to draw out this particular triangle, which involves the slant height that they want. Okay, so I'm drawing it here. So this is a right angle triangle. This is right angle. And we know that the height is 15. And how about this inside? This is half of the 15. Okay, so that means it's 7.5. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So your task is to find this L. So because it's a right angle triangle, it means that it's supposed to use Pythagoras theorem. So L is the longer side. So L is equals to 15 square plus 7.5 square. Then you square root it. Okay, so you will get, and so you will get 16.7705. So you round off to 3SF, you will get 16.8, and this is cm, and you're done for the part 1. So now let's take a look at part 2. So they asked to find the total surface area of the pyramid toy. So in this one, this pyramid toy, so to find the total surface area, maybe the best way to visualize it is you go and draw out the net. So you visualize this one, you open up. Okay, so I'm going to draw out the net. You will have a rectangle. And you have 4 of the triangle. Okay, because you open it up. this is the net of the pyramid. So your task is to find the total surface area of these 5 faces. So we know this is 15 by 15. Okay, so this is a square base. Okay, so it's not a rectangle, it's a square. So 15. So in other words, the 4 triangle will be identical. Okay, so now next is, this is the slant height which you have just found, which is 16. Always take the long one. So the height here, I will call it 16.7705. Okay, and then after that, so now we are ready to find the total surface area. You have the square, which is 15 times 15. You have 4 of the same triangle for this case. So it's half times 15 times height, which is 16.7705. Okay, and you press the calculator and you will get 728.115. So round off to 3SF, you get 728 cm squared. Done. So this is 3SF. So this is part C. To find the slant height using the Pythagoras theorem, so you will always try to draw out a separate triangle so that you can visualize better. And then for the total surface area, you draw out the net. So again, you can visualize better and see. So just take note that if your base is a rectangle, that means there will be 2 sets of different triangles. For this case, it's because it's a square at the base. So all the 4 triangles are identical. If not, you have to find 2 base, 2 height for 2 separate triangles. Okay?